Yeah, got your back. Got your back. Ocean Road. Great Ocean Road. After Apollo Bay. This is going into the woods. Into the woody bits. And very nice. Very luscious. See all the greenery? Luscious as, eh? And these bends, these are smooth bends, these ones. Look at this, eh? Smooth and easy. Yeah, you got two phones on the mount, as you know. Well, you know what happens when there's two phones on the mount? That means someone's on the back. Yeah, someone's on the back. They are. And they're listening to their own hits on their Beats X. You got to try the Beats X, I'm telling you. Pretty awesome. Beats X. But what are they? Beats X. Headphones. Earplugs. Earphones. They are. Bloody brilliant. Beats X. They fit under your helmet. Did I tell you that? I keep raving about Beats X, you know. Freaking awesome. Bose quality sound in your helmet for a fraction of the price. Just 200 bucks. 200 bucks. Wireless Bose quality. Wireless, yes, you heard me. Wireless Bose quality sound in your ears under your helmet. And you can even use it to talk. If you stick the mic properly in your helmet, you can use it to talk to each other. Bloody brilliant. Just call each other. See, I just call her on the phone. We speak, you know? Too easy. But check out this scenery, eh? Great Ocean Road. Approaching, what is it? Cannon's Track. We left Apollo Bay. We're heading for the 12 Apostolitis. Yeah. Pretty cool. Oh, this dip, mate. Whoa. Round, round, round she goes, where she lives, you do not know. Merrily, 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 merrily. Nah, I think I mixed my songs up then. Oh, hang on. I had a request. I forgot about it too. Spider Pig. I had a request for Spider Pig. I forgot how it goes, but I think it's Spider Pig, Spider Pig, Spider Pig, Spider Pig. Really cool when he sticks to the walls. It's from The Simpsons, but I think that's all I remember. It goes in the song. It's the same theme as Spider-Man. Spider-Man does whatever he can, you know, something like that. But it's Spider Pig from The Simpsons. Spider Pig, Spider Pig, riding a twin through the forest. Yeah, Spider Pig, Spider Pig, climbing the walls, and yeah, that's the one. Climbing the walls. That's what spiders do. Now here's a long stretch. Look at that. Bit of throttle on that one. Whoa. Let's go around this one. Whoa. Now, where's the Apostles? That's Labour's Hill. That's Cape Otway. I've got no idea which way I'm going. I'll just follow the main road, eh? Yeah, follow the main road. Alright, won't be that way. What's this? Oh, Warrnambool. Yeah, follow the Warrnambool sign. And Port Campbell. Alright, got it. Alright, got it. Cars pulling over for what? Stopping in the middle of the road. Far out. What are they looking for? going on? Oh, it's a bit dangerous, isn't it? Far out. Middle of the road. Must have spotted a wombat or something, eh? Or maybe it was Bigfoot. Must have been Bigfoot. You wouldn't get that many people stopping for a wombat. But for Bigfoot, yeah, you might. I reckon. Loving the corners. And the air feels wonderful, mate. The air feels wonderful around here. Look at that bed, though. Oh, throttle that. Oh. Oh. Bit of brake. You got it, Cindy? Don't come over me. Don't be coming over my shoulders. I hope you got a grip. I think she's doing alright. She's got a grip. Oh, here we go, open land. Here we go. Oh, look at that open land, eh? Oh. Look at that open bend. Oh. Oh. Nice landscape, eh? Oh. Smells like cows. Cows. Look at that landscape, eh? Eh? Oh, expansive. Expansive, but not expensive. Magic. Can you feel it? Can you feel that? Can you feel that? Can you feel that? Oh, oh, oh. Riding through the mountains with my twin engine. Don't you know it's twinning all the way to heaven? Shit, man, I should write some songs. Got my partner on the back, yeah, riding through the mountains. Oh yeah. And you know I'm gonna take you anytime I can now. Oh yeah, can you feel it? Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Alright, here we go. How'd you like that? That was alright, eh? Not bad, no? Go Michael. Go Michael. Go Michael. Go Michael. Go Michael. Go Michael. Alright. Got my bloody heated grips on. That was from the morning. Take that off. Okay, good. How are we doing? 10 minutes? Oh, we've got plenty of time on the clock. Got a house on the prairie. Crappy looking thing, but it's still a house on the prairie. Well, it's not a prairie really, is it? It's a little house in the ditch. That one. Oh, here we go. Oh, another car's coming too quick. That wasn't open, and you shouldn't have taken it. Oh, look at that big bird. Fucking. Oh, sorry. Family show. I beg your pardon. There was a big eagle flying in the trees. Freaking huge. Alright, I've got to get ready for the... I'm waiting for the open. There it is. Oh no, it's not an open. No. Got to look ahead. Oh, there's the open. No one around now. Oh, I think here's another open. Yeah, here's another open. There's a round corner. Oh, some good corners here. There's this bend going over there. Good. How we're doing for time? 12 minutes. That's peanuts. Oh, I can feel the warm weather now coming over these bends. I feel the warmth. Oh, I remember this bend. This is an awesome bend, this one. I've stopped here before. Here. Smells like something good. Gee, I hope it's in my bag. Sorry. No indication of anything. Okay, must be the atmosphere. Something in the air. Yeah, Great Ocean Road. Heading to the apocalyptics. I think there's only 9 left now. Used to be 12. He thought there was an open, but there was no open. He could have taken it, but he says he's not a bike. He ain't got the power to get around that quick, so it wasn't open. Yeah, something burning in the air. There was a fire here. Look at the trees. They're it's scorched. Oh, there's an open. He's going to take it. He's going to take it. You're going to take it? You're not going to take it. Far out. Unbelievable. That was all open for him. He hesitated. He didn't take it. But he panicked when he saw me. It's like, geez, you're not taking it, but you panic when you see me. Yeah, just not sure, these folks, you know? Just not sure. Very hesitant. And that's what'll get you, is hesitating, you know? Don't hesitate, you see it, you take it, you know? Easy come, easy go. Alright, peoples, I'll bring you back.